If you're not satisfied with the outcome of the assessment, you can proceed with the review process. And there are 2 steps. Step number 1, apply for an informal review. This review should be done within the first 3 months of the date of the original assessment letter. You should submit the form and pay the informal review fee. You may or may not include a letter explaining your reasons for appealing the assessment result. New information cannot be displayed. Applicants not satisfied with the outcome of the informal review may still apply for a formal appeal. Your application will be reviewed by an independent evaluator, and currently, Engineers Australia is taking around 8 weeks to do the informal review. Step number 2, apply for the formal appeal. An application for a formal appeal can only be submitted after the result of an informal review is received. This appeal must be made within 3 months from the date of the letter of the informal review result, and also within 6 months from the date of receipt of the original assessment result. You must submit the form and pay the formal appeal fee. The outcome of the formal appeal is definitive in the review process. This appeal is made by an independent review panel of professional engineers, and currently Engineers Australia is taking around 9 months to do the formal appeal. More details such as forms and fees can be found on the Engineers Australia website and in the Migration Skills Assessment booklet on page number 10.